Welcome. In this video I will show you how to run diagnostics on your LENOVO V15. First of all, you have to turn off your PC by opening the Start menu, then go into Power Options, selecting Shutdown. After that, wait until your device turns off completely, and then what you have to do is press the power button once, and after that repeatedly press F10 key until your device boots up into the diagnostics menu. So press the power button once and then repeatedly press the F10 button. In a moment you're gonna see a screen like this, so just stop pressing the button. You can navigate in this menu using your mouse or touchpad, or you can use a dedicated letter for each diagnostics option. So either storage, CPU, motherboard, memory, display, or PCI Express, or run all if you want to run all diagnostics. I'm not gonna do this in this video since it's gonna take way too much time. I'm gonna run all the memory diagnostics. And you can run either the quick or the extended diagnostics. I'm gonna run the quick one and then confirm either by clicking C or by clicking confirm here. Okay, and right now wait until the diagnostics are complete. Okay, and right now you can see the diagnostics result, so you can learn more information either by scanning the QR code you can see on your screen or going to the Lenovo support page and entering the result code. But generally speaking, you can check the diagnostics statistics by scrolling down and checking if your hardware element passed the tests. In my case, everything passed, so I can be sure that my memory works well, the computer one. And once you want to exit this menu, just press escape button and press enter to confirm. And that's how you perform diagnostics on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.